Hello everyone, I'm Alpella. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, I want to say a very big welcome, okay? And for my returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you so much. And if you know you're not part of the family, you have not subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe, then go to the bell, click on the bell. You know why? So that whenever I post videos, you'll be informed. All right, and you can join. So put on the notification, so every time a video is dropped by myself, it will pop up and you'll be informed. All right, thank you so much. Today I have an interesting topic for us, and I know a lot of you will be wondering, oh, what is her topic for today? It is a topic that has helped me and a topic that will help you as well. Now, so welcome everyone, this is our Alpella TMR Academy, and you're highly welcome to my channel. Before we start, I want us to know one thing, that we all need strategies in everything we do. And anytime you put in strategies, it helps you to succeed in whatever you want to accomplish. Okay, so today our topic will be strategies to make you succeed in business. Strategies to make you succeed in business. And we'll be looking at the part 1 today, and I'm going to bring the part 2 next time. So let's start. Now, number 1, what are the strategies to make you succeed in business? The number 1 is develop a clear business plan. Now, before starting anything business, it is important that you have a clear plan, a comprehensive business plan. This is where a lot of people miss it. They feel, oh, I want to be a businessman. Oh, I want to be a businesswoman. But they have not put in place the business plan to make them succeed in that area they want to function. In that area, they want to be the best. So it is very key that you put down, you outline the goals, the strategies, the target markets, the budgets, and the expected outcome of that endeavor, that business you want to go into. It is key and it is very important. Now, what is the danger if you don't put or place a clear business plan? Remember, there's a saying that he that fails to plan has already planned to fail. So it is key that you put a clear business plan. I have 3 more to go, and I want you to please watch this video to the end, because the end is where I have the key of what you've been looking for as a strategy to your business. Okay? The second is focus on the core competence. Very important. Focus on the core competence. Now, identify your strengths and core competence and focus on building a business around it. This is where a lot of people fail. You see maybe someone doing a business and you're like, oh, I like that business, I want to go into that business. Is that your strength? Is that your core competence? Or you just want to go and start that business because you saw Mr. A or Mrs. A doing it? Your strength is your power. Your strength is what makes you who you are and gives you that difference in everything you want to become. Okay? So focus on it, because this will help you stand out in the market and develop a competitive advantage over others. All right? So if you don't know what is your strength, what is that thing you love to do? What is that thing you enjoy to do? That is your strength. And whenever you do that thing, you don't grumble, you don't complain, you love, you always have joy to do it. That is your strength. So build around that. What is that thing you love if you want to do as a business, or if you want to sell as a business? What is that thing you love? That is your strength. Okay? So build around that, and I tell you the truth, it will take you to that height you desire. If you also want counseling concerning that, my number is on my YouTube channel. Get in touch with me. I will walk through what you like, what you don't like, and how to find out what is your core competence. And with that, you will know the exact good business to do so that this strategy can work for you. All right? Now, number 3, build a strong team. Oh my God, you see this? This is very, very important, and it is very powerful. Surround yourself with talented and passionate individuals who share your vision and are committed to the success of your business. If you have not seen my video on challenges entrepreneurs face, part 1 and 2, please go watch it. It's going to also help you and give you a guide on this aspect, because I really handled this and dealt with it. Okay, now hire who is competent. Hire who has the skill you're looking for. Don't just hire any kind of person. Hire who is competent, don't compromise it, and hire who has that skill you need to succeed in your business and can help you to achieve your own dreams and can help you to achieve your own goals. Very important. If they don't have these qualities, then they are not fit to be in your team. Okay, so the last I told you, I am keeping for you, and that is the major one you should look into, and you should really hold on to it and work with it, and it will save you a lot of problem. And I tell you the truth, you will succeed if this number 4 is handled properly. Now, what is number 4? Listen to your customers. Oh yes. Now, listening to your customers is one of the 3 keys in business. The first key I talked about, go watch my challenges, you're going to see it. The second key is there. This is the 3rd key of this series we're having. There are different topics, but they are all in a row as a series. Okay, now listen to your customers. This is very, very important. This is the number 3 key every businessman or woman, every entrepreneur, every CEO should work with. Always listen to your customers. Understand your customers. I want you to know their needs, their expectations, and use that information to improve your products or your service. Oh yes, build a strong relationship with your customers by providing exceptional customer service. Oh yes. Now, I'm going to tell us a story. I had this customer that few of them, they always come like that. But there was this special one that came one day. And she was like, "Madam, I would like to speak to you." I was like, "Okay, please go ahead." She said, "I'm sorry. I bought something from your shop and I noticed this was not what I wanted." I said, "Okay, why?" Okay. She said, "So when I came back, they told me I asked for jumbo. So they gave me jumbo." I was like, "All right. So what do I do for you?" She said, "Why I came to you is when I brought the eggs back, I was scared. I thought your workers will not accept. but they joyfully collected it from me and gave me the one I wanted. She said, that is strange. I said, okay. She said, because a lot of places I buy things from, the moment I try to complain, they get angry, they even quarrel me. But I was shocked. Your staff just collected it from me, changed it, and gave me what I wanted. I told her, I said, of course, yes. She said, that is amazing. That means you listen to your customers. I said, of course, yes. I listen to my customers. I make sure everything that is a concern in my business with my customers, I handle it. That is number 3 key to every successful business. So I want you to please learn how to listen to your customers. Don't say, oh, this customer complains too much. Or this customer is always arguing. Or this customer, anytime she comes, she wants this one. She wants you to turn it this way. No, listen to them, because they are the voice that goes out to tell others about your brand. Okay, so if you want me to do more of these videos, please put it on the chat, put it on the comment. Tell me you want more of these videos, and I tell you the truth, I'll bring more, so you learn how to be the best in your business. And if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell, so that whenever I'm live, you'll be notified and you always join and enjoy all the teachings he gave and all the teachings that is given. Okay? All right. If you have not bought my Facebook video course and my Facebook ebook, this is the time for you to go get it, because they'll get it and start making that difference in your business with ads and making your business to be top and the best in your industry. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining us today, and see you next time in my video. Bye.